special opportunity for a global unity. The Rebbe did explain the goal of his campaign. Klal Yisroel have one heart, but our bodies stand apart. Divided we may seem, so this was his dream. Every Yid, no matter who, no matter where, can finish kol haTorah kulah in a single year. No, it's not impossible, the Rebbe did say. Just study Rambam each and every day. I'll never miss my daily Rambam. My Rebbe so desires, I'm not busy or too tired. When I learn Rambam connected, I remain. I am a link in the Rebbe's golden chain. When I learn Rambam connected, I remain. I am a link in the Rebbe's golden chain. When this cycle is complete, we will finish and repeat. The Torah is our own, a great milestone. Klal Yisroel far and wide, seas and oceans can't divide. Jews of every age are on the final page. So raise your glass and say lechaim, sing, dance and cheer. We finish kol haTorah kulah in a single year. No, it's not impossible, that Rebbe did say. We studied Rambam each and every day. So celebrate the Siyum HaRambam, Rebbe. Look and see, your vision is reality, bringing us closer, reaching our dream of dreams. When we'll be united for eternity, bringing us closer, reaching our dream of dreams. When we'll be united for eternity. So celebrate the Siyum HaRambam, Rebbe. Look and see, your vision is reality, bringing us closer, reaching our dream of dreams. When we'll be united for eternity, bringing us closer, reaching our dream of dreams. When we'll be united for eternity. Allah.